Hello friends, Indian festivals depicts its rich heritage. They bring people closer and create a strong bond of humanity. Today, I'll be sharing with you 10 lines which can be used as an essay or a speech on such a kind of festival that is Raksha Bandhan. So let's start. Raksha Bandhan is a secular, multicultural Hindu festival celebrated all across the nation. Now, in the next line, the word Raksha Bandhan is derived from Sanskrit, which means bond of protection, love, and care. It is celebrated on full moon day in the month of Shravan. On this day, sisters tie a sacred thread of Rakhi on their brother's wrist. She prays for the good health, long life, and well-being of her brother. The brothers, in return, pledge to protect and take care of their sisters. Brothers also give gifts to their sisters as an acknowledgement of his love, affection, and a symbol of his pledge. Family members wear ethnic dresses and delicious dishes are also prepared. Everyone celebrate this festival of togetherness and unity with great zeal and enthusiasm. This festival not only represents the strong bond between brother and sister, but also spreads the message of peace and brotherhood in the society. So friends, I wish you all happy Raksha Bandhan, and if you like the video, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.